tough like iron when the morning rise. Man, I fight for survival, now beg no pity from them crooked lies. Mama cry on this step, tell me hold firm, keep your spirit strong. But the place full of heat, be a war, every night feel long. Bread a bust off while him temper hotter than a burning coal. Sister slip in a stress, looking for peace for soothe her soul. Me there in between, try keep calm while me stand pon ground. Tell the world say me face even when life beat me down. No love in the ghetto, just rage when the dark get deep. Man scream out for mercy, but the pain them still have to keep. We push through the trouble, hold faith though the nights get rough. Every heartbeat remind me say the road always tough, but me still chant Lord. Say me nah lose sight or fall, even when the world fling me down. Me rise and command it all. Them talk big but loyalty scarce like rain in drought. Friends turn enemy fast when greed start run them out. Me see y'all take risks just for feed them young youth them up. See man bust shot quick as him vex and him mind get mad. My mind full of scars but me still find a little strength to fight. Me spirit now crumble though the pressure heavy every night. My voice raw like gravel but me still sing truth pan rhythm tight. No love in the ghetto, only burning rage and pain. Man walk on like thunder cause them tired of feeling strain. We still blaze through pressure, keep motion though the parts get cold. Heart brave like a lion even when stories never told. Always chant for the youth, them hope them find peace in time. Even when trouble rise quick like a steep rock climb. Me they hold firm even when pressure try break my style. Fight and step strong, carry fire for every man. Me see tears on the ground from the youths them lost in rage. Them future feel trapped like them locked inside a battered cage. Me try guide with my voice, tell them strength come from deep within. Tell them push past pain, never let hatred win. Me step through trials heavy like them weight on my shoulder blade. Still me chant my melody through every move life made. Even when man try test me, my mind stand up unshakable bold. For the ones lost and struggle, my words stay warm like gold. No love in the ghetto, but we still rise to fight. Even when down tough, my spirit still full of light. Man cry out for shelter when the heat get too high. Still we move cause the road never soft nor mild. Me sing for the sufferers, me chant for the broken youth. For remind them strength lives strong in a truth.